Well, welcome today. My name's Richard Norman. I'm the CEO of Yatter. I'm here with Sam Marshall, who's going to be showing a quick demonstration of how to schedule a tweet with Yatter.
Hello, everybody. Okay, where are we going to start?
So the first thing is to really understand the navigation at the top. So the two buttons right at the very top of the screen in the middle, the dual bars.
Okay.
And click either of these bars.
So I'm clicking the left-hand one.
And so that should open up the bar on the left. And if you try the same on the right-hand side at the same time, you can see that we can do the same on the other side as well.
Okay. And they're identical?
They are identical. And you can do things at the same time if you want. But generally, we tend to work off one.
Okay, well, I'm left-handed, so I'm going to close the right-hand bar.
Perfect.
Okay.
So select Schedule a Tweet.
I would like to schedule a tweet. Yep, there we go. Okay.
So this brings up a bar that should have all the details that you need to do a tweet with. You can see all the bits there that are mandatory by the ones that have the sort of warning icons next to them.
Okay, yeah.
And so what I would suggest is to click the first bar and start to fill in a tweet.
Okay. Good morning, Twitterland.
That'll do for starts.
You are well. There you go.
Fantastic. And so the next thing you probably want to do is select which profile you're going to connect or to use with this tweet. And you can see that the dual bar really plays in here at this point.
Oh, that's quite good. So I go over here and select which one I want to throw it out on.
That's right. If you just select the one you want to use.
Okay, I'll use Argyle Networking for now.
And the third mandatory item is obviously the time that you would like this tweet to happen. So that's the one. If you click that and then select a time, date in the future.
Well, actually, let's schedule something for Friday.
That sounds perfect.
And I did say good morning, so we'll go for 10:15 because that sounds like a coffee break time. Can I just type in here?
You
number
can, yeah.
15?
You can just select over the top and just write the numbers in.
So much easier.
So much easier.
And save.
And that's the one.
Okay.
And so now that you've done and filled in all the mandatory items, you can now finalise the tweet at the top, which I would suggest you do. And that should schedule your tweet on your account. And there you go. You can see that it has appeared inside your dashboard. You should also be able to see the tweet if you select top left into the canvas menu.
Is that hamburger?
That's the hamburger menu.
Menu, okay.
And select My Schedule.
My Schedule. There we are.
And this will show you all the content that you've currently got scheduled in your queue.
Oh, superb. So I can make changes in here, can I?
You can, yep. And this again, if you select this on the right-hand side, it should give you a preview and allow you to edit it, which will allow you to open up in either of the sidebars and allow you to continue editing.
So I presume to edit, I hit this little pen here. That's the one. And here it is. And so then I would go, okay, I'm going to edit again.
That's the one.
It's a double edit, then into the tweet and add in a hashtag.
That's it. Now, it's probably worth specifying some of the other things that we can do here. So obviously there's a button here that allows you to insert a link. And also to insert an existing tag and find tags to find people. Okay,
so if I hit insert link, and I can,
first of all, you can paste one in if you have one ready. But I think you've got some already.
I have. I was just trying to think about if I could just grab one, but I'll use one of my existing links for now.
There we go.
What should we do? Let's talk about cleaning up the beach because I'm all for environment.
There we go. Perfect.
Okay.
And so you also need to select the shortener that will come into this.
Right, now my preference is tiny URL. Does it matter?
No, it doesn't. Whatever one you want to use, just click it and it should shorten it for you automatically.
Yeah, okay.
And so that's just showing you how to insert a link into a tweet. You can use tagging, again, using the button. I wouldn't go over that at the moment.
Okay.
And if you scroll down, there are some other options that allow you to control how loading imaging from your media library, and also a critical one here at the bottom, which is your visibility. And this visibility defines how you're seen on Yatter. So you've currently specified that this tweet is public, which means everybody that's currently using Yatter will have a preview of this tweet.
Lovely. Okay.
Perfect.
And that's what I want.
And so if you finalise your tweet, it should all be ready to go. And that should conclude us demonstrating how to schedule a tweet on Yatter.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time, Sam.